Hey, welcome guys. In this video, we're doing an unboxing of the Ring Stick-Up Cam wired version. There's a little symbol for a plug. There are different versions available, one for battery and solar power, but mine's a wired version. Connect through Wi-Fi or Ethernet for internet connectivity and a whole bunch of other features like motion detection. And you can control it with your Ring Alarm app, which also interconnects with the Ring Alarm system if you do have it. And as well, it does work with, and of course, if you have the Amazon Echo Show, for example, you can tell it to show you what is playing live on your Ring Stick-Up Cam, for example. So, continuing on with the unboxing, it's interesting because the box is huge, right? And looking at product pictures, the Stick-Up Cam is rather small. Even on Ring's website, it's advertised as being really small, but it's weird to me that the box is huge. So, not sure if there's a lot of components in there for ease of putting up on say outdoors, because you would need a bunch of accessories and screws. Ring is usually good at that, so I'm wondering if that's why the box is massive, but we'll find out in just a few seconds, right? So after struggling to get the box open at the bottom, that sticker is incredibly annoying to take off. Let's see what we have in here. So the first thing is their usual quick start guides. They push a lot of emphasis on all their Ring products that everything is easy to set up. For the most part, that's true. I've used the Ring Smart Doorbell, the Ring Alarm System. I'll put links to both reviews in the video description. And here we have, so it says that you're going to scan the QR code here to set up the camera itself. So a couple of little pamphlets for a quick start, and of course a sticker telling you they have Ring protection as your alarm service. Well, if you have the alarm service, but you're still protected by a Ring security camera. And this looks to be the main startup manual. I guess if you need the long version of it, this is what you would read. And you can sign up for more information and promotions, warranty, and FCC information. And of course, here is telling you that if you're going to mount it outdoors, that you should keep the power brick in the middle, a certain distance apart from, I guess, other parts. So this just shows you how you can mount it on a table, I guess, and one against the wall. We'll just leave that to the side. It's not a big deal, I guess. There's the camera itself. So yeah, the camera is small. The camera, well, I'm saying camera a lot, so it's confusing. The camera that I'm using to record this unboxing is really close to the Ring Stick-Up camera. So that's why it looks large, but as you can see, compared to my hand, it's pretty compact and small. And I'm dropping it and failing. Sticker's tough right there. I just want to see the flexibility. So right off the bat, it looks like to be a lot of flexibility here. So if you have some sort of awkward position, you need to put it on, say, against a ceiling, maybe in your garage, where probably I'll be putting mine or something. You have some options there, which is great for those awkward angles you need to get. Okay, so here's the setup kit. As expected, this is a pretty large box throughout this unboxing video itself, and there is the power adapter inside there. I'll just move that to the side. We don't need to really see the power adapter for the USB cord, right? So at the bottom, okay, so this looks to be the outdoor cord. So that's interesting. So this thing looks massive. So I'm really pleased that Ring included such a long cord. I'll get the exact measurements of each cord, the indoor cord and the outdoor cord, in the review video, which again, a link to that will be in the video description. But that's pretty much it of the unboxing. It's pretty straightforward. So if you guys found this video useful, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, it does help. Check out my social links in the video description, and thanks for watching.